Letusan ini lebih dahsyat dibandingkan dengan letusan tanggal 2 Februari lalu. Karena selain mengeluarkan abu vulkanik dengan ketinggian 1.500 hingga 2.000 meter, letusan juga mengeluarkan lava pijar. Letusan terjadi sejak pukul 4 dini hari. Sebanyak 8 desa di pulau tersebut diselimuti hujan debu vulkanik, dan warga 2 desa di bagian barat, yakni desa Nitung Lea dan Rokirole, terjebak guguran lava pijar. Kepala Pos Pemantau Gunung Rokatenda, Nitung Lea, mereka saat ini terjebak dengan adanya guguran lava pijar yang menuju ke perkampungan. Dari Ropa, NDNTT, Taufik Koban, TV One mengabarkan.
This particular volcano had actually been dormant for 400 years, but it sprung back to life 3 years ago. And in the last few months, it's been ejecting these great vents of gas and ash into the air. The big eruption today seems to have taken the local communities by surprise. They were evacuated late last year, some 30,000 people. Some of them appear to have gone back last Friday, only to get caught. It is a rich agricultural area. At the moment, it's dark there, and the full extent of the casualties are not known. The rescue teams are saying they can't get close enough up the volcano because of the heat from this eruption. They're saying that the figure has risen to 14 confirmed dead, 14 bodies have been found.